Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do jigsaw puzzles. First, choose a comfortable, well-lit area with ample space, perhaps a table measuring at least 2 feet by 3 feet for a 500-piece puzzle. Next, empty your puzzle box and begin by separating all the straight-edged border pieces from the interior pieces. Finally, turn every single piece right side up so you can clearly see its color and pattern, making the next steps much simpler. Once your pieces are sorted and facing up, the next crucial step is to build the puzzle's border. Connect all the straight-edged pieces together, forming a complete frame. This outer boundary gives you a defined working area and helps establish the overall size and shape of your puzzle. Always keep the puzzle box image handy. It serves as your primary reference for colors, patterns, and piece placement. With the border complete, it is time to tackle the interior pieces. A highly effective strategy is to sort these pieces into smaller, manageable groups. Look for distinct colors, unique patterns, or specific objects depicted in the image. You can use small sorting trays, extra cardboard, or simply separate areas on your table for these groupings. This organization makes finding specific pieces much faster and less overwhelming, especially for puzzles with 1,000 pieces or more. Now begin filling in the puzzle, working on one sorted section at a time. Focus on matching both the color and the unique shape of each piece. Some pieces have very distinct cuts, which can be a strong clue for their position. Remember to take regular breaks, perhaps every 30 to 45 minutes, to prevent eye strain and maintain your concentration. Enjoy the satisfying process of watching your puzzle come together piece by piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.